live within the moment, and don't go waiting.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Customer service trash, food trash, everything trash. Drink water. Jesus did not die for that.
Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you.
I'm in Batumi, tbilisi, Georgia. I was about to say Batumi, tbilisi, Georgia. I'm in Batumi, Georgia. Is another city in Georgia. So, Ajara. So yeah, we're just here for 2 days tonight. This is our apartment. Let me show you guys properly. This is our apartment. Just a brief. It's just for tonight. How much did you pay again? 85 gel. Sorry, 81 US dollars. 81 US dollars. It's so nice. I like it. It's cool.
I wish you had higher floor.
We're on the 8th floor. You wish you had a higher floor.
Yeah, like
higher floor is equals to more money. So and we have a nice view from this side. That's what sea is this? Black Sea?
Yes,
Black Sea. So yeah, that's it. Let me show you guys the bathroom. Ooh, I think all the apartment here has the same color. They're all the same. They're all the same. I think the size that is different, right?
No.
The same size. So why is it more expensive?
The higher the floor.
Oh.
So yeah.
Yeah, just up to 50.
Maybe the other
I think some elevators are up to 50, some are up to
52.
52.
It has a soft landing.
So now, so
No, let's listen to it.
with the amount, it should have ash land.
No, it's not like all those things. Look.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do.
Try this thing. This one like sit down first of all.
It's working already, don't worry.
It's working already.
It's almost. It's very tickly. It's really tickly. It's clearing down. Oh, that feels good.
makeup. We decided that it's late already. We decided that it's late already, so we'll just have dinner this evening.
Not only you do makeup.
And I'm so tired. If not because I've planned my look, that's why I'm doing makeup. Unless, trust me. What?
One fine to say she don't want good dinner.
Actually, let me get a microphone. Move. Unless your pattern will show. No.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's on the talk again? So in today's episode, we're doing things that never happened. This is my organic.
This one just decided to plug our product. So I'm going to just do my makeup now. Of this song, I don't want to get copyright. So guys, she's ready. She's ready. She ready. Oh sorry. So yeah, let me show you guys my outfit.
Obviously it's about to know.
So I'm ready.
Okay, everything blocked.
Come and snap my picture.
Huh?
Come and snap my picture.
Come and snap it. Say
Please.
please.
Pretty, please.
Pretty, please. Don't give up.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. And the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over. Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me?
Guys, we are leaving. Guess why? Because the food is like my school fees. It's too expensive and their menu is not that.
It's not more expensive, but it's nothing.
Actually, that's true. Their menu is not that good enough, or I don't know the English. So yeah, we're going somewhere else. Let me show you guys around.
I could stay awake till the night is
Voila! I wish you guys were here when I was asking her the question. They said I buried. Lemonade is 16 Larry. Lemonade is 16 Larry. Their menu trash. There's no rice, there's no spag. There's no even pasta. But that's okay. How much did she say water is again? 8 Larry. To drink water. Water that will go to the sea and drink water in peace and not in peace. Jesus did not die for that.
night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep?
What is mashed potato? Mashed potato is green color. They have been artistic. Let's see. This can't be mashed potato. Oh my god. It slaps. How is it? Horrible. Wastage. Sorry. See, if you come to Batumi and you come to, what is this place again?
This is Hilton. No go Hilton, no go Sheraton.
Don't go to
I don't know if my mom can say they should go to RUTH because I don't know what's up. I don't want to be there.
It's true. Maybe rest of the this will be better. Should we go there tomorrow?
I was there. Let's go.
We'll try that this. But do you know what? We'll go early so we can storm out.
No place I'm really.
Oh, the place and go to a better hotel. Let me try this.
Come deep, they don't be butter as deep. Melted butter.
Trust me. Burger King burger. Better than this. So guys, they finally brought whatever. I didn't really sorry. They brought whatever they wanted to use. Let me show you something. How is this berry lemonade? And the man had the guts to come and meet us and telling us Sprite and syrup. How does that make sense? There's not even any sign of berry in it, first of all. Then the next thing he did is he was asking us about the food and we said we were not satisfied. Then he was angry. He asked my friend, he asked me that are we ever going to come back? She said a time never. A time called never. He stopped out. Yeah. Never.
Of course, my choice we met.
Can you imagine? Then he now left. He now came back. He now saw camera. I was not like, are we recording? I'm like, no, we're not. Actually, because at that moment I was not recording. Then the next thing was, oh, because it's not allowed. I'm like, I've been here for over an hour, right? I've been here for more than an hour and you're not asking me, are we recording? Is that not madness? Like, camera is not allowed. Then the next thing, he now offered us free cocktail because he offered us free anything that we should pick up anything from their menu. Now I wasn't even interested. He said anything from the menu, so we asked for cocktail. And now the cocktail is taking like almost 20 minutes to get cocktail. Customer service trash, food trash, everything trash. All they are just carrying on their head is the name. Trust me. Yeah. It's so disappointing. How will someone tell me this is a lemonade?
They don't tell you Sprite and syrup.
Sprite and syrup.
Oh, syrup, sorry. I will give you a favor.
Ow! I'm just. It just spoils my juice. Trust me.
That's not the answer. You know, I get to make sure.
Diamond ring, all the stress and doubt.
I actually wasn't too much.
Be on break, sunny days, no clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call because I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade.
The casino, let's see what they have to offer. Creepy. So creepy.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now
Let's not do the gorgeous get thing.
Gorgeous guys. Why always get lucky? But you had a bad day, not gonna lie.
It's 12:56, 53
where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So
from the start.
I want to go.
What? See, baby bump will look so good on me. See, I have food, baby. Are you okay?
Since it looks good on you, you know what you look good on you get.
I better go, not now. My battery is about to die. It's girlfriend.
Jesus.
Why she's barefoot?
Comfort over.
And what I see. And you are not drunk. Why would you ask if you are drunk?
Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
Your celebrity crush. Now off shoe. Don't put shoe for hand. Turn your head. Big girls of tbilisi.
I could stay awake till the night is through with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come